If you have acne prone skin or have pimples on your face, on your body, in any area, so this video is for you. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is the first time of coming across my channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. For my new subscriber, you are highly welcome. For my old subscriber, thank you for always coming back to my channel. So today's video, I'll be telling you about 2 ingredients for you to take or get rid of your acne or pimples on your face or body in any part of our area. The first powerful ingredient you should be using is dettol. If you don't have dettol, you can go to the supermarket close to you, go and get dettol. And the other ingredient you should be using is rose water. But if you don't have rose water, you can usually use normal water. So what you are going to do after cleaning up your face or any area you have that pimples or acne on your body, whether on your skin, on your face, any area, what you have to do first is to clean that area up. Clean it properly. Please don't apply it on a dirty face, don't apply it on a dirty part. You have to first of all clean that area. After cleaning it, take a tablespoon of rose water, or if you don't have rose water, you can use water. Take tablespoon of water and take 1 teaspoon of dettol. Apply it. Why I said you should add water to it, because dettol is so powerful. So I want you to use water to dilute it, because if you apply it direct like that to your face or body, can easily make it to have sunburns, can cause you reaction, itching. So that is why I recommend you to dilute it with little of water. So if you hear any car passing, so just pardon me, there is a window here I opened here, so you may be hearing noise or car passing, so pardon me with that. So just dilute it and apply it to that area you have it. Dettol is very helpful. It's antibacterial. It can get rid of bacteria, and it can also disinfect the body. So for germs, and sometimes acne can cause because of spots, because of less of hydrating. You are not hydrating. Can cause because of stress, and you usually do it gets rid of that pimples or acne in that area anywhere you apply it, but it doesn't take off your dark spot. So if you are using this remedy, you have to go and look for lotion, cream or tube that can remove your dot or your acne out. So what this cream do is eliminate that acne. It stop you for getting lots of breakout, but it doesn't remove your spot or your dot from your face. So I would be putting a video next. You will have to go and check that video, the best face cream to use to eliminate if you have spots on your face. So you would usually need a spot remover cream if you are doing this remedy. What it help you to do, it help you to get rid of acne, but it's going to get rid and leave that spot on your face. So you are going to be looking for lotion, cream that will remove your spot from your face. And if you are a sensitive skin, I do not recommend this remedy for you, because it's too harsh for sensitive skin. And if you are sensitive skin and you want to actually go and try this remedy, so I do not recommend it. So in any effect you get for it, so you do not blame me for any stuff you get for it. And if you are really want to use it as a sensitive skin, if you go to check, that is why I always say go and watch that my video I talk about to know your skin type. So I would not have to explain a lot of things in this video. For that, you will understand more better. So because of itching and redness, or if you want to try it, I will advise you to dilute it with a lot of water if you are a sensitive skin. And I would advise you to try it on your body, your hand, any part of your body first, to see how it reacts to your skin. If you see that it doesn't react anything to your skin, then you can apply it to the affected area. So that's it for this video. And I also want to tell you guys that my membership is able. Please join my membership. Okay, that's it for this video. Don't forget to share this video with friends and family. If you have not joined my membership, go and join my membership. You have a badge next to your name whenever you are commenting, and also you have access to a lot of things if you join my membership. And that's it for this video. Don't forget to share this video with friends and family, and also don't forget to stay healthy, stay positive. All the best, be nice to one another. I love you guys.
Remedy for skincare, vlog and food. That is what I give you. Change, I got you. Everything nice and juicy.